It's not just barbecue, it's Boomercue. Everybody else knows that we're the prime people. When they hear Boomercue, they think of Billy Sims Barbecue.
I have been coming here since this place opened. I would put this place easily in the top 3 that I've eaten in Oklahoma.
With the aspect of this restaurant, it's mainly a sports memorabilia place. We have the helmets, we have football pictures all through the walls, almost like a museum. A number one thing is the consistency of the food, especially the meats. That big smoker there is where all the work is done. We cut and prepare your plate right there in front of you. Once we pull it out and cut it open, they're just like, oh my gosh, tender, pink, juice falling out of it, and that's what the pork is all about. That's why we call it the pulled pork, because it just simply falls out and they'll literally just melt in your mouth.
Boy, I tell you what, that is some of the tastiest, juiciest, tenderest barbecue and pork and chicken I have ever had in my life. Billy Sims Barbecue, they give you plenty of food, the service is great, you get to watch your little sports, have some great barbecue, and you never leave hungry. And remember, it's not barbecue, it's Boomercue.